Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn sheet metal design in Catia software. First of all, we will see the introduction to sheet metal design. Sheet metal design in Catia is a specific module that allows designers and engineers to create and manipulate sheet metal parts. The module includes tools and features specifically tailored for designing components made from sheet metal, which is a versatile and widely used material in manufacturing. Key features of Catia sheet metal design: sheet metal parameters, design features, bend table, unfolding and flattening, assembly integration, drafting and documentation. After starting from mechanical design, we have to select generative sheet metal design workbench, and the interface will look like this. Okay, we will see this in our software. From start mechanical design, here you can see the generative sheet metal design workbench. Click OK. This is the interface of sheet metal. First of all, we have to set sheet metal parameters. The thickness is 2 mm and default bend radius is 4 mm. I will click OK. Now I will draw a sketch for first wall. Okay, this is the wall. Click OK. Our first wall is created. Now we can draw a wall on edge. Simply we have to click a edge, and here you can give the height. Okay, you can change the direction from here. If you don't want this angle, if you don't want this radius, then untick. Okay, see, next one is the extrusion. For this command you have to draw a sketch and extrude it. Next one is flange. For this also you have to select edge. From here you can give the height, angle, radius also can be changed. Okay, click OK. See, the flange is created at 120 degree. Okay, next command is hem. I will select edge. Here I will give the length of 20. Okay, the hem is created like this. Next one is teardrop. See, length and radius can be changed. Okay, next option is user flange. In this you can draw the sketch. The flange will be created as per your requirement. Okay, next toolbar is bend. Bend can be applied in between two supports. First support, second support. Okay, you can see the preview. Okay, like this we can apply the bend. Next command is conical bend. For this I have to select first support, Then select second support. Then left radius is 5 mm and right radius is 15 mm. See, you can see the conical bend. Okay. Next command is bend from flat. For this I have to draw a sketch. Exit workbench, go to command. See, you can see the plane. Okay, this is how our sheet is bent. Next command is unfolding. For this you have to give the reference element and unfold face. Okay, for this I will draw a hem. Okay, now you can unfold it. Reference element, unfold face. Okay, this is get unfolded. Now we can fold also. Reference element, see, it will get again folded. Next command is point or curve mapping. See, I will select you can measure the points. Okay, here you can see the fold command and fold command. Again we can fold it, unfold, fold. Okay, thank you.